So here's the step to how to navigate the Shopify IO sub-account dashboard and understand the overall layout. So first thing first, we have to log into our Shopify account. So here's we have a security code that's sent to your email for security purposes. Once you log in, hit that account switcher at the top. So this is your gateway and select your specific sub-account to load up your leads, your automation, and your CRM data. On the left sidebar, you will see all the main menu items such as contacts, conversations, calendars, pipelines, and more. Next, familiarize yourself with the top bar. It shows notification, your profile, and quick settings. So the best way to learn is spend time for 5 minutes just clicking all the menus and see where things live and get a feel for the flow. So hit follow for more Zapify systems trainings. Thank you.